Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, and today I have a pretty sassy lunch for Augie. Up here in the corner, we have homemade octopus onigiri. That was for a project that I'm working on, and so I had it left over, so that's what goes into his lunchbox. We also have some orange slices, some mini oatmeal cookies, and a rainbow of veggies, where there is cherry tomato, carrot, yellow bell pepper, sugar snap peas, and some purple carrot rounds in there. So should be a pretty good lunch. Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, and here's today's lunch. In the thermos, we have a Thai vegetable curry. I actually didn't make this. This is leftovers from a work lunch, and it's over some sushi rice. It's got carrots, potatoes, sweet potatoes, super yummy. And then over here, I have a little nod to Valentine's Day, some easy strawberry hearts, and some cranberries, and then some cherry tomatoes with heart picks. Good morning, friends. It is Wednesday, and I've got another Valentine-inspired lunch for you today. Over here, we have some heart-shaped strawberries, some boring celery, and then here we have a frozen pizza that I warmed up. So there were a few pepperonis right on top, and so I pulled those off, cut them with the heart cutter, put them back on before I cooked the pizza, and now they're cute little pepperoni hearts on there. They might be a little hard to see. Right there, and there, and there. And that's Wednesday's pre-Valentine's Day lunch. Hey, it's Thursday, and today's lunch is meatballs that I cut in half and then cut with the heart-shaped cutter, some bell pepper, and sugar snap peas underneath, a little ketchup for the meatballs, and some oranges. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday and happy Valentine's Day. Today we have a very lovey-dovey lunch. Over here, we have ham spirals, and I put little leaves in them to make them look like roses. This is a little cup that I got. It's like a treat cup that I got at a grocery store many years ago. There's a whole set of conversation hearts. That's filled with jam. Here we have some sugar snap peas with some hearts in it. These are heart-shaped biscuits, and I'll add a video at the end of this video showing you how I made those. And then I used a food marker to write conversation heart messages on here. You are cute and LOL. And I'll have a knife so I can spread jam on those biscuits at lunch. Here we have heart-shaped strawberries, and here we have a little gummy heart. And that is this year's Valentine's Day lunch. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.